pregnant and wondering if you'll still get paid while you're at home with your baby? You've probably heard mixed messages, it's unpaid, or only some people get paid. So let's clear this up properly. Do you get paid for maternity leave in Jamaica, and when is your employer legally required to pay you? The main rule you need to know: if you have worked for your employer for at least 52 weeks, 1 full year, you are legally entitled to paid maternity leave in Jamaica. This is not a favor. This is a legal requirement. The big question is, how much maternity leave do you get? Once you qualify, you are entitled to at least 12 weeks of maternity leave. How much of that leave is paid? Here's the part many employers don't explain clearly. Your employer must pay your full normal salary for 8 weeks of maternity leave. The remaining 4 weeks of the standard 12-week leave are usually unpaid by the employer, but some employers choose to pay for the full 12 weeks. So that's 8 weeks paid and 4 weeks usually unpaid. There has been an important update for public sector workers. Public sector employees are entitled to 3 months of fully paid maternity leave. This applies under updated public sector arrangements effective from 2023. Now, let us examine when an employer is not required to pay maternity leave. Your employer is not legally required to pay maternity leave if you have worked for them less than 52 continuous weeks. You have already received paid maternity leave for 3 pregnancies with that same employer. You are under 18 years old or a domestic worker under this specific act. Always remember that some categories have different rules. So, what happens if you do not qualify for employer pay? Even if your employer does not have to pay you, you may still get help. If you are insured under the National Insurance Scheme, NIS, and have made at least 26 weekly contributions, you may qualify for maternity allowance paid directly to you. In this case, NIS pays you, not your employer. Can you be fired for being pregnant? The straight answer is no. Pregnancy is not a lawful reason for dismissal. Any unfair treatment or dismissal related to pregnancy can be challenged. Here are some things you should do before going on maternity leave. Confirm how long you've worked with your employer. Check your contract and workplace policy. Notify your employer in writing. Submit a medical certificate. Contact NIS early to confirm eligibility. Keep copies of all documents. Being prepared helps you to protect your rights. You can get help by contacting the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, or National Insurance Scheme, NIS. Paid maternity leave in Jamaica is a legal right once you meet the requirements. Know the 52-week rule, the 8-week payment rule, and your NIS options so you can plan with confidence. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers understand their maternity rights. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.